Okay, so in this video we're going to show you how to add the bits of dowel to your ping pong launcher. So quite simple really. I'm going to start a 2D sketch and work on this face first. So I'll start a 2D sketch and put it on here, and then I'm going to project my cut edges, and now that's put the circles in place for me. That's enough, I don't need to draw them, it's just taken them from that area. So I've finished my sketch, and then I'm going to go to extrude, and this time I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to click on that circle when it's highlighted, zoom out, and then click on this circle here. Sometimes you have to zoom in a little bit to kind of highlight just the circle. Then I'm going to zoom out. Now this is interesting because it's coming up from the surface, but actually I want this to go down through the wood as well. Some of you have come all the way through, but I'm just going to go down through the wood. So it's going up by 21, which is the last dimension I used. So I'm going to change that to maybe 20 millimeters. So it goes up by 20 millimeters. I think that's fine. But I also want it to go the other direction, a different amount. So I could select this one and it would do both down and up. So 10 millimeters up and 10 millimeters down by 20. But I'm actually going to select this one, which is called asymmetric. So it's going to come up by 20 and it's suggesting down by 10. I'm actually going to change that to 21. So if I now click on here, you'll see on the underneath side that it comes all the way through. Say, let's just to show you, if I change that to 25 or something, you'd see it coming out this side here. All right, but 21 was the thickness of that piece of wood. So I'm doing it to 21 and it gets to just there. I'm going to click on this corner so we go back here. All right, so it's going up by 20 and down by 21, two different dimensions. And then I'm going to make sure I click on new solid so that they are different pieces of wood. Okay, there we go, click OK. And then I'm going to start 2D sketch and do the same thing in through the body. Okay, so I'm going to project cut edges and then finish my sketch. And now I'm going to extrude, and I'm going to zoom in on this one, click that when it's highlighted. Can't see this one because it's in the way, so I can just either press my orbit or and then select it from the middle, move it around, and then press escape to come out of that tool. Just press escape once, and then you can come and zoom in on this hole now, select it when it's highlighted. Okay, I've got both now selected. So this time I'm going to press this asymmetric tool again. I'm going to come out by 20. I'm going to go through my wood, which I think was also 20, if I remember rightly. So through my wood, 20, but I'm also want to come through the other way. So can you see now it's perfectly in line there? So let's say actually first we go out by 15 just to show you the different numbers. Out by 15 this way, then through the wood there's 20, and I want to come out by 15 the other side. Now, 20 plus 15 is 35, but if it was complicated numbers, just to be quick, you could just put a plus and add 15, and it will do the maths for you and work that out to be 35. Now if I just look at that from the front, you can see it's coming out both ways. So it's extruding this way by 15, and then this way it's extruding 20, which is through the wood, plus 15 on this side. Okay, and then we can click OK, and that is your dowel. I'm not sure if I clicked new solid then, so I'm going to just go back and double click on extrusion here and just check. It was already highlighted because I used it last time, so that's okay. And then there we go. I can now put it back into this position, and it's a good idea to save my work now. Just pressing Control S. I'll finish that video there.